Friends, have you ever noticed that the buttons of men's shirts are on the right side while the buttons of women's shirts are on the left side? But why? What is the exact reason behind this? The answer is hidden in history. When there was running a war in Europe, at that time everyone was carrying a small pistol with him, and the right place to hide it was inside his shirt. And whenever a pistol was needed, it was easy to pull the pistol out of your shirt with your dominant hand. And most people are right-handed, and they do every small work with their right hand. That's why the shirt's button was put on the right side, because if the shirt buttons were to be buttoned on the left side, then they had to remove the pistol with their left hand, and it's very difficult because left hand is not dominant and not so fast like right hand. The practice of wearing shirts and pants in the Europe dates back to the 18th century. For the first time, the people of Europe started putting the button of their shirts on the right side, and gradually shirts and pants become prevalent to all over the world. And today, all over the world, you can find the shirts button on the right side. But why are women's shirt buttons on the left side? In earlier times, not all women wore shirts. Only rich women wore shirts. At that time, rich women did not wear their own shirts. This work of rich women was done by their servants, and the maids had to use their right hand to button the shirt. And that's why women's shirts buttons are placed on the left side, so that their servants can easily close those buttons with their right hand. Friends, do you know that when someone is married in India, it is customary to take 7 rounds of fire? Means couple have to walk around the fire 7 times. But do you know why this is done and what are the reasons behind it? There is a deep science hidden behind this practice of India, which no one knows about. When husband and wife take 7 rounds of fire with some mantras, by this they are bound together in an unbreakable bond, because a circle is made of 360-degree angles, and if we look carefully, out of the numbers from 1 to 9, there are only 7 such numbers which cannot divide 360. And this is the reason why husband and wife go around the fire 7 times, so that no one can break their relationship and their unbreakable bond remains for the whole life. And this is also the reason of low divorce rate in India than any other country. Friends, do you know that why verified users view your story on Instagram? When you upload your stories on Instagram, you must have noticed many times that your viewers who see your story, many of them are verified, and there is verified mark on their account. You too get happy seeing it, because verified users who are very popular on Instagram, and if they see your story, then in this affair you take a screenshot of that story and post it on your Instagram and tell people that my story is also seen by verified users. But the reality is that verified users do not see your story. So where do those verified users come from in counting your story's viewers, and what is the reason behind it? Actually, verified users on Instagram use a tool which is called MVP, Mass Story View. MVP boards allow verified users to view the stories of millions of people within minutes, and through this they don't have to personally see the story of each individual. But why do verified users do this? When you see the viewers of your story, and there are also some such viewers who are verified, and you immediately click on their profile and start looking at their stories and their posts, thinking that some popular Instagram page has seen my story. And through this technique, verified users make their Instagram page grow a lot and increase the audience engagement of their page. And sometimes you take a screenshot of the viewers of your story in which verified users have seen your story, and in this way you are marketing of those Instagram pages for free of cost. Diesel causes much more pollution than petrol. But do you know that all the big vehicles have only diesel engines? But why? Huge amount of force is required to drive trucks and other large vehicles. Diesel produces more torque at slow speeds, while petrol produces less torque at slow speeds. Large vehicles require a diesel engine because lifting heavy weight requires more torque. But do you know what is torque? Let us understand this with an example. You are pushing a car and you use force to push. Due to your force, the turbine of the car starts rotating and the car covers a distance of 1 meter, and this is called torque because the force applied to rotate an object is called torque. A truck has capacity of 200 Newton meter torque or 500 Newton meter torque. Here the Newton is the force and the meters are the distance. The force applied to rotate an object and the distance covered by it is called torque. The molecules of diesel are much larger than those of petrol and they have a huge amount of force, and that's why diesel is used in big trucks because bigger trucks require more torque to lift heavy weights, and it is present in large quantities in diesel, whereas petrol is used in light vehicles and high-speed vehicles. You must have heard many times during the night that insects make a special kind of sound like this. But do you know why these insects make such sounds? In the night, the sound of insects is heard. During that time, the insect is either mating or trying to get it. But the question is, we hear the sound of insects every day. So what? Insects do this every day? The answer is yes, because no single insect makes a sound in the night. There are millions of insects present in the night which make this kind of sound. They do what they like. So let's know the next question. Everyone loves the beauty of nature, but you must have noticed it that sometimes we see clouds as white and sometimes black. But why does this happen? Actually, we see all the things on the earth because of the sunlight. Without sunlight, we cannot see anything. When sunlight falls on the earth, sometimes clouds are also present in the sky and sunlight passes through those clouds. Actually, clouds are made up of water droplets or small ice particles, and when the sunlight falls on the drops of the water, the lights get reflected due to those small droplets, and the sun scatters the 7 colors of the light in the sky. And this is why clouds appear white to us, because they reflect all colors of light, and the cloud becomes black in color when they do not reflect any color. And this often happens with large clouds whose density is very high and there are big water droplets in them. And when the light is not reflected from such big clouds, then all the light gets absorbed in the clouds. Then we see the clouds as black. Your one like is very precious for us, so please like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to watch such amazing videos.